ChatGPT just leaked something massive. It's called GumDrop, and it could replace your phone for AI. Imagine ChatGPT without a screen. Just write something down, speak out loud, and it's already in ChatGPT. No typing, no apps, no distractions. This is the biggest AI hardware leak of 2026, and I'm breaking down everything you need to know because this changes how we use AI forever. All right, OpenAI just got exposed. There's a massive leak happening right now, and it's about hardware, actual physical AI hardware, not software, not an app update. We're talking about a device you can hold. It's called GumDrop, and based on everything I'm seeing from industry sources and supply chain leaks, this could be the first real AI device that actually makes sense. Let me explain what this is. GumDrop is a smart pen, but not like those pens from 10 years ago. This is AI powered. It captures your handwriting in real time, converts it to digital text, and uploads it straight into ChatGPT. No phone, no typing, you just write. And boom, it's in ChatGPT, ready to use. But that's not even the crazy part. This thing also does voice. You can speak to it, capture ideas, record thoughts, and it processes everything through ChatGPT. Imagine walking around with AI in your pocket, not on a screen, just a pen. That's the vision here. Now I need to be super clear about something. OpenAI has not officially announced this. There's no product page, no press release, nothing official. Everything I'm sharing comes from credible leaks, industry reporting, supply chain sources. So this is rumored hardware, not a launched product yet, but the leaks are strong, really strong. Here's what we know so far. The internal code name is GumDrop. It's being designed with help from Jony Ive, yes, the guy who designed the iPhone. The guy from Apple, he's working with OpenAI on this. That tells you they're serious about design. They want this thing to look good, feel good, work seamlessly. Manufacturing has shifted from Luxshare to Foxconn. That's huge. Foxconn makes iPhones, they make everything. Moving production to Foxconn means OpenAI is planning for scale. They're planning for millions of units, not a tiny test product. This is real. The timeline, probably 2026 to 2027. That's the expected launch window based on current reports. We're still in the design phase. There are technical challenges, privacy considerations, battery life questions. All of that needs to be solved. But the fact that this is happening, that's the story. Let me paint a picture of how this works. You're in a meeting, someone says something important, you pull out your GumDrop pen, you write it down, or you just speak into it. Either way, that note is now in ChatGPT. Instantly, you open your laptop. Later, everything's there, organized, ready to summarize, ready to turn into action items. No screenshots, no voice memos scattered everywhere, just clean, organized AI-powered notes. Or imagine you're brainstorming ideas for a new project. Maybe you're thinking about how to automate your content for AI Profit Boardroom. You grab your pen, you start writing new YouTube video ideas, ways to use AI tools, prompts for ChatGPT. And as you write, GumDrop is capturing everything, turning your handwriting into structured notes, syncing it to ChatGPT. And now you can ask ChatGPT to organize those ideas, expand them, turn them into a content calendar. That's the power here. It's not about replacing your laptop. It's about capturing ideas faster with less friction so you never lose a thought again. Now, here's where this gets interesting. Most AI hardware has failed. Remember the Humane AI pin? Terrible reviews, bad battery life, clunky interface. It flopped. People don't want another screen. They don't want another device that distracts them. They want something simple, something that fits into their life, not something that replaces their life. GumDrop could actually work because it's minimal. It's just a pen. You already carry a pen, or you used to. Now you carry a pen that's also an AI assistant. That's the difference. It's not asking you to change your behavior. It's just making your existing behavior smarter. And think about the use cases. Students could record lectures, take handwritten notes, and have everything transcribed and summarized by ChatGPT. No more messy notebooks, no more missed details, just clean AI-organized study materials. Professionals could capture client feedback, write down meeting notes, and have ChatGPT turn those notes into follow-up emails, action items, project briefs, all automatically. Creators could jot down video ideas, script outlines, content prompts, and have ChatGPT turn those into full scripts, outlines, social media posts. The workflow gets so much faster. Here's the thing though, we don't know everything yet. Pricing, unknown. Battery life, unknown. Exact features, still rumored. Official launch date, not confirmed. But the direction is clear. OpenAI is building hardware, and it's AI-first hardware. Not a phone with AI added on top, actual AI-native devices. Now let me talk about why this matters for you. If you're using AI to grow your business, automate your workflows, or just save time, devices like GumDrop change the game, because right now, most of us are glued to screens. We're typing everything, switching between apps, losing focus. GumDrop could eliminate a lot of that friction. Imagine running AI Profit Boardroom and using GumDrop to capture every idea you have throughout the day. You're driving, you think of a new way to explain AI automation, you speak into your pen, it's captured. Later, ChatGPT turns that into a full lesson, a video script, a social post. You didn't type a single word. That's the future we're heading toward. And by the way, if you want to learn how to actually use AI tools like this to automate your workflows, save hours every week, and build smarter systems, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. We're teaching people how to use AI automation to transform how they work. Not just surface level tips, real strategies, real workflows, real results. I'll drop the link in the description, but more on that in a second. Let's talk about the design for a minute. Johnny Ive doesn't do boring products. If he's involved, this thing is going to look incredible. Sleek, minimal, premium. It's probably going to feel like a luxury item, not a cheap gadget. And that matters because if it looks good and feels good, people will actually use it. Most AI hardware looks like a prototype. This won't. The fact that Foxconn is manufacturing it also tells us something. They're planning for global distribution, they're planning for high volume. This isn't a limited release, this is a mass market product, or at least that's the plan. Now, here's what I'm watching for. Privacy. How does Gumdrop handle your data? Is everything encrypted? Is it stored locally or in the cloud? These are huge questions. If OpenAI messes up privacy, this product dies. Battery life is another big one. If you have to charge this thing every day, it's annoying. If it lasts a week, that's a game changer. We don't know yet. But battery tech has gotten way better. So I'm optimistic. And then there's accuracy. How good is the handwriting recognition? How well does the voice capture work in noisy environments? These details matter because if it only works in perfect conditions, people won't use it. But here's why I'm excited. OpenAI has the resources, they have the AI models, they have the design talent, they have the manufacturing partnerships. If anyone can pull this off, it's them. And the timing is perfect. People are tired of screens, they want simpler tools, they want AI that just works. Gumdrop could be that. Now, I want to be realistic here. This might not launch in 2026. It might get delayed. Features might change. The final product might look totally different from what we're hearing now. That's just how product development works. But the direction is clear. AI is moving off screens and onto smaller, smarter devices. Imagine 5 years from now. Maybe you don't even carry a phone. You just have a pen and some glasses and an earbud, and all of them are connected to AI. That's where this is headed. Gumdrop is just the first step.